should appoint, on the total number of MECs 10, we should appoint 6 female premiers. So we appointed 5.
Ukhutshiwe usomkhandlu wezobugwali namasiko eMpumalanga uFidel Mlomo kusiphethamthetho seMpumalanga. Kwangena uLeah Mabuza kulinganiswa ubulili. Bavuka nje bovu abasebenzi beplasini leBia Stepan neMiddelburg batsho bahlikihliswa amaphepha okufuduswa ngobukirikitshane. Kuba kuhle ukuhlanganisa zindaba kodwa ku-SABC1 ngesindebele. Undunakulu weMpumalanga uMandla Ndlovu uhlele ngobutsha ikhabinethi yakhe ngemva kwenyanga embili ase-ofisini. Somkhandlu wezamasiko nezemidlalo uFidel Mlomo ukhutshiwe esikhundlenisi. Umlomo obeka kuKhosathu ukhutshwe kwangena uLeah Mabuza obeka ngumeyara kumasipalata weMalahleni. uNdlovu uchugulule ikhabinethi yakhe ngokulandela imiyalo ye-ANC yokuthi abohulumende bemfunda kufanele babe nabo mabambalwa nayikhibe undunakulu umuntu wembaji.
Kulandelwa umthetho wokulingana ngokobulili engikhundleni. Undunakulu weMpumalanga uMandla Ndlovu ulungisa lapha bekuchapheke khona njengokuyalelwa yi-ANC.
So there is a decision which has been taken by the ANC that where a male premier is appointed, we should appoint, on the total number of MECs 10, we should appoint 6 female premiers. So we appointed 5. So we're reminded by the ANC.
Ikhosathu eMpumalanga ayikathabi ngalokhu.
We, however, noted with disappointment the manner in which, out of all, the name of our provincial secretary, of our deployee, Comrade Fidel, has been targeted, and then there were no any other names. And to us, it was a very saddening situation.
Kulu uNdlovu uthi bekungasilula ukufikelela isiqundu esiyi kodwana ubekatelelekile ukulandela imithetho yehlangano. uMabuza obeka ngumeyara waphambilini weMalahleni uthi unethemba lokuthi uzokusebenza kuhle esikhundleni sakhe sitsha.
It's already premiers what needed to be done by department to speed up the challenges that he has already tabled them in terms of the people of Mpumalanga, in particular the unemployment rate, the full participation of young people, particularly to resuscitate sports, art in the province. And of course, I want to believe that there is opportunity.
Isifunda seTlhagwini Jingalanga ngesinye esiyalelwe ukuthi silandele umthetho we-ANC wokulingana engikhundleni.
Iphiko elikhethekileko labofokisi SIU ithi ikhandele beyasindisa nomnyango wezempilo emalini ebalelwa ku-3 billion yamaranda ebatshweni yobukhohlakalo benzeka kezokwelapha. SIU beyikhuluma ekomitini yeParliament eqale ama-akhawunti omphakathi nomthelela wayo emnyangweni wezempilo.
I-SIU ithi ifumanise ubugwenxa, ubuqhophololo nobusela ngethuba isenza oluphando oluxabisa iibhiliyoni zerandi.
Despite all this money has been paid out to the attorneys, but the living conditions of the plaintiffs and their children remain appalling and poverty-stricken, as most of them are unemployed and depend on SASSA grants.
uMothibi uthi kwamanye amatyala kukho ukusebenzisana phakathi kwabongikazi, amagqwetha kunye noogqirha becandelo labucala nelikawonke-wonke. Amalungu eParlamente amemelela ukutshintshwa kwale nkqubo yamabango.
Yeah, it's a scam. And something needs to be done drastically.
There's a total failure of systems within the Department of Health. I think this report is very scary.
I-SIU ithi ifumanise ukuba amanye amabango enziwe ngaphandle kolwazi lwezigulana kwaye abo bajongene nabo balahlekisiwe, banikezela ngamandla amagqwetha becinga ukuba batyikitya izivumelwano zendodla.
You know, if I was a dictator, Give me just 1 day to be a president. Just 1 day. Just 4 hours. Those people will be history.
South African taxpayers are being blatantly robbed of monies that could have benefited education, health, the upliftment and quality of life.
I-SIU ithi uphando lwayo lusaqhubeka kwaye luchaphazela onke amaphondo. Tinglulama Matya wendaba ze-SABC eParlamente eKapa.
Sekela lomholi we-Patriotic Alliance uKhenny Kunene uthi bonke abogalajana abathelisa umphakathi ngokubhadalisa amabhizinisi imali zevikeleko kufanele bacalane nomthetho. Ukunene bekalapha e-SABC namhlanje aveza ihlahlubo lehlangano yakhe malungana nombuso webumbano njengoba naye asekomitini kaMeyara engamele zokuthutha emkhandlweni weJohannesburg.
Liswa kwabantu imali zokuvikelwa akhupuke khulu elizweni lekhethu ngokutsho kwaNgqongqotjhe wamapolisa uSenzo Mchunu. Imfunda esihagalelwe khulu zizenziwe eziyi-Gauteng, Western Cape, KZN, Mpumalanga Kapa neMpumalanga Imbala. Ukunene olisekela lomholi we-Patriotic Alliance phakamise bona amaziko ombuso athathe amagadango abudisi wokuqalana nezenzwezi.
Police, JMPD must deal very harshly with the extortionists. In fact, we must take after the commissioner there in KZN. Ayagadlali, Shayikopo Gelwa. That one goes for the head. He's not playing. So that is the type of vigilance that the police must have against these criminals.
I-SABC nayibuza ukunene ngokuthi bathini bona ngekhampani eyanikelwa ithenda imali emaranda azingidi ezili-180 yokulungisa indlela yeBri eJohannesburg esolwa kwangathi ayinaso nesitifiketi somthelo. Uphendule wathi,
I was then showed that the company has got a tax clearance certificate, the company has been vetted, there is nothing dodgy about the company. In fact, the DA raised a matter also that the company had a fraud case with City Power, using its name Sitewo or something. And I followed up, I spoke to the CEO of City Power, and I spoke to my officials. And again, it was just Mashaba who just went rampant on this thing without proper facts. The SACP has been working with white people all along. The SACP has ministers that are deployed by the ANC government. So the SACP has been piggybacking on the ANC. If they are so confident of themselves, why don't they contest elections by themselves?
Ukunene uthi umnyango wakhe uyokwethula amahlelo okulekelela abasomani abasakhulako.
Igqwetha elijamela abasolwa uCharles Mnisi uthi isazi sokuhlolwa kwengidi uKenneth Chris Mangena akhange alandele ikambiso ejayelekileko lokho nakahlola isigidi ekusolakala ukuthi sasetshenziselwa ukubulala uSenzo Meyiwa. Isigidi sabekwa epolice station eCleveland ngemva kwecala elifaka hlangana umsolwa wesithathu uMthobisi Mncube.
Umncube nabanye abanasolwa nabo baqalene necala lokubulala ukapteni walokho webafana bafana. Isazi sokuhlolwa kwengidi uColonel Chris Mangena uthi isigidi sasetshenziswako besingasiphakathi kwesikhwama esivalekileko ngesikhathi siyokuhlolwa. uColonel Mangena bekachuka ngembuzo nguadvocate Mnisi qala lokubulawa kukaSenzo Meyiwa ikhoti ephakemeke ePitori.
There was a request that was done by Major Bayat and Detective Constable Dlamini that they should go. A request that was directed to the ballistic section of the Forensic Science Laboratory that they should trace, I'm avoiding to use the word check, but that they should check whether the firearm is in no way linked in the cases that are annotated in this document.
Umnisi ubuze ukuthi kuba yini uColonel Chris Mangena athatha isikhwama sesigidi besivulekile ekubeni phambilini wathi batsho azokuvuliweko. Igcwethe elijamele umsola wesine Advocate Zithulele Nxumalo ubuze ufakazi wombuso ukuthi wakhona na ukulinganisa ibanga ekwadunyuzela kilo isigidi.
The bullet which was fired 90 degrees on the floor tile, can you remember how far was it from the cupboard? It said on exhibit C of Constable Mosia.
On the photo?
Yes.
How far was it?
Yes, how far was it?
It was close to those cabinets.
Ngandika leli liyokubuyela gode khotho.
Umakekere kezomvumo buyabe mvezi emvumeni uChiko Thwala uthi indodana yakhe uLongwe yakathindeke ekubulokweni kwakaSenzomiwa. Uthi indodana yakhe akhange khe iphathe isigidi begodwa sakhe isigidi akhange khe silahleke.
uChiko uyiphayili batsho ukuthi isigidi sakhe sasetshenziswe ekubulaweni kwakaSenzomiwa ngaphandle kwekhotho kaMagistrata eRandburg lapha amadodana akhe amabili bekade avele khona ekhotho malungana namacala ahlukeneko.
I know they won't find him guilty for the Senzomiwa. I know him. Longa has never carried a gun in his life. My son is a thief, he's a druggie. That's what he is. My son, if someone says my son stole from him, I will say yes. But if someone said my son shot, Longa will never do that. He's not that kind of a character. He's never carried a gun in his entire life. The defense in the Senzomiwa, especially the ones who accuse him of shooting, they are just psychopaths. They are mad.
Indodana kaThwala uLongwe uyohlala estoksini bekube mhla amalanga ngali.
Nasibuya Ntolo.
Bashwa aribukweni spirit. Awusiyabalaya.
Abantu abatsha babulawe ebutshwala bazididiyelela bona ngespirit uMakantshana. Sisaraga nendaba lapha kanti nazikuphundileko uyazifumana ku-YouTube, ku-Facebook naku-SABC Plus. Umphakathi weMphanama ngaphandle kweJane First eLimpopo uthukiwe uyavevezela ngemva kokubhubha kwabantu abatsha abane ababulewe ebutshwala. Batsho basele utshwala bazididiyelele bona ekhaya ababuvange ngespirit bazenzela uMakantshana. Esikhathini esizimveke embili sekubhubhe abantu abane ngenxa yotshwala lobu ekuthiwa nguMakantshana ebuthandwa babantu abatsha.
Umphakathi usararekile ngezehlakalo ezilandelene emaduze zokubhubha kwabantu eMphanama. Babantu abatsha abana ababhubhe ngemva kokusela utshwala lobu obuhlanganiswa ngespirit obudumile kwendaweni leya. Abantu bakhona babiza ngeApollo namkha eTaiwan kanti kezinye indawo baziwa nguMakantshana. Isehlakalo samhlapha nje senzeke ngeveke epheleleko. Kanti ngaphambi kwalokho kubikwe izehlakalo embili emvekeni embili ezidlulileko. Esinye sabikwa ngomvulo ngeveke epheleleko. Okuthobo na sebaba Kupti sibona umphakathi wamukela ukubhubha kwabantu abatsha abangalindlela kanti umphakathi uveze ukuthwenyeka ngokutholakala lula kweselo esesiyingozi kangaka.
Mathateng a eleng gore ya renya ka gore re khwetse thuso gore go ka diraga jwang go ka kgonega jwang gore spirit ska hlwe serekisho.
Umndeni wobhubhileko nomphakathi bathi kufanele kuthathwa amagadango ngokurhabako ukuqalana nomraro lo nokukhandela ezinye izehlakalo. Bathi nango-2021 isiselo esiyingozi sisabulala abanye abantu abatsha abane.
Bashwa aribukweni spirit ka gore siyabalaya. 2021 sibulaile 4 ka 2024 sibulaile 4 gape. Young people are dying like flies because of methylated spirit.
Amalunga womphakathi athi abanye bababhubhileko balile ngobuhlungu esifubeni. Uprofessor Baloyo esikhulu semfundo zempilo eUniversity eLimpopo uthi ispirit siyingozi emaphatshini nakwezinye izitho zomzimba eziqhakathekileko.
When it is swallowed, it causes serious burning to the throat, so it can even erode, make a hole of the digestive system.
Kanti njengombana umphakathi usalinga ukwamukela ukubhubha kwabantu abatsha laba, umphakathi uthwenyekile ngokutholakala lula kwesiselo esinokuhlayela kwelazi ngobungozi baso.
Abantu abahlala eplasini le-BS Stepane eMiddelburg basilingeke kakhulu ngokufuduswa. Batsho ukwenzeka nakusangena iminyaka yabo 2000. Umphakathi lo wafuduselwa endaweni ezihlukahlukene kweplasini le ngombana kwakuthiwa kuzokwakhiwa imayini lapho bahlala khona. Bathi batsho badlelezelwa bona abatlekihle isivumelwano sezindlu. Isivumelwano esihlangana nokhunye sibakhandela bona bakhulise izindlu zabo namkha bazithomela amabhizinisi eplasini le.
Umphakathi osilingekileko ulwa nabaphathi beplasi. Umphakathi lo usola bona ubujamo buthwelele ngemva kobana bafuduswe endaweni nabo bafuduselwa ukuvula kwemayini. Bafudusela kwenye indawo eseplasini la bakhelwa khona izindlu. Basola bona badlekihle isivumelwano sokufuduswa bakhela izindlu kanti khaya bathi isivumelwano esitsha sokuqatshwa.
Umuntu lo bekaphethe iphepheli angafuni ukuthi ukhambe nalo ekhaya iphepheli. Abantu abakho bayolifunda qangi. Athi sayina la icontract asithomeja sayini iphephelo awulazi ukuthi thina akakufundela akakutsheli next sayini iphephelo sicela ukusayina la basithutha ngale bathengisa indawo le besiyo la basifumana sikhona basifaka lapha.
Isivumelwano lesi sithi labo abangasebenza eplasini banikelwe amalanga ama-30 wokufuduka eplasini begodu sikhandela ukujugulula kwezindlu zabo ngaphandle kokwazisa abaphathi beplasi nokuthi bavume. Mhlapha nje izakhamuzi lezi zakha iwogo enkukhu njengemizamo yokujugulula ubujamo bendawo nokwakha amathuba omsebenzi.
Sinale simo lesesibhekene naso manje ukuthi ukhona omunye womphakathi wethu la imember eyakhile lapha ifuna ukwenza ibusiness lezinkukhu kodwa bamthumela ngamaloya ukuthi kumele ukuthi asuse le business enesekasebenzise imali eningi for ukuthi aqale le structure lesa. So iyo inkinga enkulu esibhekene nayo okwamanje.
Babuya futhi bathi njengoba umuntu bekasebenza akasekho la nasidela ukuthi nisiphumeleni. Kwaba yilapho ukuthi sekuba indaba enkulu ke yaliwa yagijinywa ama-court and then kwagcina ukuthi sekuthiwa asihlali sahlala lapho ke. So ireason ukuthi sizamile uku-engage nabelungu but then abelungu azange basinikeze i-chance yokuthi sikhulumisane nabo silungise yona le ndawo le indaba yokuthi ma ukuthi awusasebenza eBS Stepane kumele uphume.
Abahlali beplasini bebajagala kanti abanye abasebenzi beplasi nabo babajoyinile napheze kokuthi kunomgomo othi umuntu nakakasebenzi akazohola. Umphathi weplasi uBS Stepane ubhalile ukuphefumula ngendaba leyo.
Ekhasini lethu le-Facebook siba umbono wakho mbukeli ngezakhamuzi zeplasini le-Middelburg ezidla ngokutlikihliswa incwadi ngobukirikitshani. Asizobona utheni.
Abamnyama abayifuni ukubanika amalungelo wabo.
Kuyadanisa ukubona abasebenzi basemaplasini besaphathwa ngendlela abebephathwe ngayo kuqala ngengcinezelo.
Ngoba into ezamabhunu azenza indaba zakade. Kona manje abantu sebanamalungelo ukuthi bakayenzane ngendawo lezi bahlala kizo.
Ngiyamangala kakhulu ukuthi kusekhona abantu abasaphila kanzima kanje emaplasini lapho abanqatshelwa khona ukuthi bayiphilise.
Umbono ke umbukeli eSABC ayizokuthosa umlando ukuziphendulela ngombono wombukeli. Kezemali iranda liqina lilinganiswa nezinye imali ezikulu. Njenganje ke sihlole bona babuyile na bazumi koKwekwezi FM. Akwande sibo kuzumekile.
Akwande namabona silotshisa umbukeli okhona usekhaya. Yabazumi babuyile uzumekile. Hlangana nendaba esisiphetheko ke enamba namhlanje ngilezi ezithi iphiko eliphenya amaqala akhethekileko enarheni le iSIU lethule umbiko othusako mayelana nokukhwabanisa okwenziwa amagcwetha wenarheni le laba bafuna ukuthi bahlawulise khona umnyango wezamaphilo ngelithi kunabantu abachaphelwako lokho nabathinga emazikweni wezamaphilo. Ndunakulu lapha esifundeni seMpumalanga uMandla Ndlovu uhlele ngobutsha ikhabinethi yakhe ngemva kwenyanga emibili amemezela ikhabinethi etsha. Unesondo esifundeni seMpumalanga kwaNdebele elithi lona ngaphakathi komthethosisekelo wabo batsho abobaba bavumelekile ukuthi bangathatha isithembu ezihlangana nesizipheteko enamba manje. Siyathokoza.
Sithokoza Sibu. Mbukeli kazi indaba ezikhona kusasa ngilimi leSiswati. Dawumbezulu biyalandela nobusayi Mathebula. Ngisaye nomusa. Asilotshise ekhaya ngelesithathu entambama ke sicalele ukuthi bunjani ubujamo bezulu sibona lapha phakathi nenaga yeSouth Africa ukuthinga ehlagwini livulile khamba nje kuba nenkomba zomoya nawuthi uyaqala lapha kodwa kutholakala izulu nge-30% mathuba ke lawo kusasa liyacina kilezi indawo ePumalanga Kapa ungathi uchinga eKZN kancancazana ke sithole lapha ke isilemukiso esivela kwa South African Weather Services khonakalo yomlilo wamahlathi kilezi indawo ke thindeka isifunda sangale ngeNorthern Cape iFreystata kuthindeke godu nakesinye isifunda sangale ngePumalanga Kapa nomoya ke othi ungawuthola siza kusuduka ke ukwazi ukuthi ubone anjani amazinga ukushisa sithome ngapha ngesifundeni sangeGauteng libonakala lifuthumele ngemva kwamadina noma ekseni zathoma ngathi kunomoyana omakhazana nangapho ngePitori lifuthumele iLimpopo bonakala ke nayo ifuthumele kuthi ngakuyachisa ke buPhalaburwa liphalale ke ibuye nganeno nge-30 siyalapha isifundeni sangeMpumalanga siyokubona ukuthi khona kunjani na nakhona ke kufuthumele endaweni eziningi kubokwaga ngapho kwamhlanga yesikhukhuza lichisako nge-33 kwaZulu Natal bonakala ke nayo ifuthumele endaweni zalapha kuBodurban kuthi lapha ePietermaritzburg kuchise nge-30 siyalapha ke ngesifundeni sePumalanga Kapa endaweni eziningi kupholile kuthi ke lapha ke kubogqebega njengoba ke sabona nje kumakhazana njengoba kho wabona ukuthi namathuba wezulu akhona nalapha kubomi Willomo limakhaza pheze imini yonke sifunda sangaleke ngePumalanga Kapa eCape Town imakhaza nalapha eCape Agulhas pheze ke isifunda sonke simakhaza sangapho ngeWestern Cape lapha ke eNorthern Cape sibonakala sipholile kanti ke lapha eCalvinia khona ke nokhona ngemva kwamadina kumakhaza nge-14 sifunda sangaleke ngeFreystata kumakhaza ekseni ngokuhamba kwesikhathi ke kuyafuthumela kubo Fixburg Bethlehem lapha ke eVelcom kuthi ngakuyachisa nge-30 akhe sicaleke lapha ufunda sangaleke ngeFreystata iNorthwest siyayibona ke yona ke iyafuthumela kuthi lapha ke kuBotlesdorp ichise neMahikeng nge-30 Tosca nge-31 asikubone kodwa ngesikhathi esilandelako. Dido